Holy crap, that is a lot of snow we got. Look at all the snow. It's still going. It's really windy. My dad's out snow blowing the driveway. Ooh, I'm getting snowed everywhere. It's really windy. I know, snow all over my face, so I'm just on the front porch. Look, here's the drift. This is probably about 3 feet from top to the bottom. No, probably a little bit less than that. Probably like 2 feet. But we got a lot. And it's drifting around too, as you guys can see. Hi. Hi, hi. It's cold. Yeah. It's going in the driveway. We got a snowblower, which is nice. But it's cold. Hey, you want to go out in the snow now? You want to go out now? I think I'm scared of the ice that fell. Want to go outside? Huh?
No.
No. But look at it. We shoveled a path for Tia, and it's covered over again. They keep plowing the roads, and it keeps going over, but it's... What? Whoa! Holy shit!
Awesome!
I didn't even see that! That is so cool! Holy crap!
That's the coolest fucking thing!
That is so cool!
It like warped across the top.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome! Fresh coffee, yummy! My crazy cat lady mug. Oliver, am I a crazy cat lady? Am I a crazy cat lady? Yeah. You wanna go outside? He's like, yeah! I don't think you want to go outside. It's yucky out. What's out the window, buddy? Oh. Yeah? Is that what that is? Yeah? Hi. What are you freaking out about?
Hey.
Aw, kisses for daddy. So, Mike, what are we making?
The same thing we make every night.
No, we don't make this every night.
It'd be bad if we made it every
World domination. Same thing we do every day. So what we did was we found a recipe online that is delicious, and you put bread on the bottom. I actually put English muffins in mine and bacon around it, and then you put an egg inside of it and bake it in the oven, and it is delicious and wonderful. I use turkey bacon instead of regular bacon, and I feel like mine look a lot better than Mike's do, but still.
Mine are just as tasty.
Mike has mastered the craft of cracking the eggs and putting it in the bacon holes. It's a couple hours later because I really haven't been doing much. I fixed a couple things on Satsuki. I'm going to work on a couple more things tonight. And I also fixed Sivir's wig. I got all of my Sivir stuff out for tomorrow. And I'm like slowly trying to figure out what the hell we're going to do tomorrow because the snow is at least like, I don't know, a good foot or so. So I don't know how well I'm going to do with the boots. I might just have to, like, dig out a spot and try to, get that situated tomorrow. So I don't know what the hell we're doing or where we're going, and it's going to be really difficult, and I'm going to be cold as butts. I think I'm going to bring both blades with me, because the smaller one is easier to pick up, so if I need to do any, like, picking up the blade shots, I can do that. And then the other one, it looks a little bit better. So it's a little bit bigger, but it looks a lot better as far as the paint job goes, because the paint job on the other one is terrible. I also did a test makeup for tomorrow without any contacts or eyelashes, and I straightened my hair so that it fits under my wig cap. because if I don't straighten it, it does not fit under my wig cap. So, that's what I did. And I've been sitting here and watching videos, and I'm debating on making something sweet, because we just eat dinner, and I kind of really want something sweet like cookies or like brownies or something like that. But let me show you an update on the snow. It is like 8 o'clock at the moment, and let me show you what the snow is doing outside during Blizzard 2016. So it is still snowing currently. This was all brushed off, but now it is not. I wish I could show you guys exactly how high the snow is, but it's pretty high. We got at least another, I want to say 3 inches, maybe more, from when my dad was actually like shoveling the snow. I wish I could see our mailbox. It's kind of like right over there. It's pretty much buried, like up to the mailbox. So I was getting ready for the shoot, and I was kind of Googling just pictures of Snowstorm Sivir, and I found that if you search Snowstorm Sivir cosplay, I'm right here! Yay! And then there's a couple more of me just kind of floating around. Like there's one here, there was another one, there's another one here, there's another one here. They're kind of all over the place, so that's pretty cool. So if you Google search Snowstorm Sivir cosplay, you will run right into my cosplay photos, which is fantastic. I am all dolled up and ready for the shoot, but I don't have the rest of my costume on, and I totally forgot that this hoodie is a pullover, so I might have to take my wig off and do my wig all over again. So that'll be fun. Let me try to get this hoodie off, because I didn't think of that, and I'm smart. Good job, Allison. Okay, moving hair from face. My crotch is cold.
Getting a nice breeze.
I'm getting a breeze.
Woo! Try switching your leg.
You gotta get that leg back.
Now that looks awkward.
Try switching your legs.
So far out.
Like try getting more of your front. Like switch them. Yeah.
There you go.
Oops, I just shot half the trees.
Yeah, that's why
I like the other way better.
I like this one better.
Yeah.
Okay.
It makes you look thinner. Ow.
Done.
Done.
Got it.
Got it.
Can
Got
you
him.
put it in the snow and then kind of... Oh,
would say,
I
why
said
don't
I
you-
wasn't going to say anything.
Why don't you do this?
Like the Satsuki pose.
Should I do that way?
Ooh, that looks
I meant,
good.
I meant like the sassy, but yeah.
That looks good
Like
too.
straightforward.
Yep.
Hang on, I'm slipping.
Do the other one where it was at your side.
Mike!
Bet.
Just watch the shadow. That one again?
Your contacts really show up. It's nice.
I know, I'm so happy.
Whee!
Show up nice and blue.
Oh, there's a shadow. I don't want to be in it.
I
Hello.
don't want to be there.
Hi, Mike. Oh, your knee's gonna be cold. Do you want the towel?
You want the towel?
I'm trying to think what I can do. I'm kind of just going like this for a while. I'll figure it out eventually.
Why don't you sit on the towel, put your prop your feet out a little bit, and do like this pose.
I'm beautiful.
Yeah.
The booty. Woo, your ass gonna be cold.
Sorry, this is your towel.
Yeah, I know. At least I'm on the towel. That's the only way I can sit down. Should I rotate sideways, or is this okay? Because this is awkward for me. This better. That's better.
You're a magical snow princess.
What?
Go like this, prop your chest out.
Oh, of course.
Ooh, How far can you bend your leg up? What about the other one?
The other one?
Yeah,
About there.
about there.
That'd be great from
Try
that
like,
angle, but
yeah.
Do you
not
want
from
to
this
try it
angle.
over there? Or do you want me to switch spots and rotate?
That's fine. I'll switch. I'll get my shadow out of it. That's all I need to do.
Well, I mean, I could rotate my body the other direction so you don't get the shadow.
Do the tilt your torso toward. Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Should I be looking that way or look at you?
Look at me first.
Okay. Hang on, I think I got snow on my face. Hang on. My hair's in my face. Okay.
I wish I caught that. What was that?
Oh.
Hello, Mike's butt. It's showing. Oh, that is glamorous.
And we're back. I didn't really film anything else because there wasn't much else to film today, but I thought that I would share the photo shoot with you guys, and Shannon was nice enough to vlog for me. Even though the camera died midway through because I forgot to charge and because I filmed a makeup tutorial earlier. So if you guys want to check out the makeup get ready with me thing, it's not really a tutorial, you guys can check it out in the description below, or I will link it somewhere in the annotations. You can also check out some of the photos that we took on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/AlisonJeffreyTube. We took a lot of those photos. You can also check them on Instagram, which is just AlisonJeffreyX3. And check out those photos and let me know what you think. We edited them. Well, I did. I edited them all yesterday. So let me know what you think about photos. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment. There will be plenty of more cosplay videos just like the one you just saw, as well as KatsuCon's coming up in a couple weeks. So you guys have that to look forward to as well. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!